what we're doing here is we're painting crazy colours onto this shape. But the trick that we have to use is to be really aware of the tones. So when you're working your way through a painting process, getting the shapes here is the most important thing. We're thinking the three emperors. The shape is really important. So this is in page 9 of the Foundations book, first book. So the shape is the most important thing. It's the quiet emperor that doesn't make a lot of loud noise in your finished painting. The Harlequin emperor, Ero, is the guy that's the noisy one, that's all the bursting colour that everyone looks at and goes, wow, that's beautiful. But nobody sees that you've put all this effort into the shape. So the first emperor of shape is the most quiet, but the most powerful emperor. The second emperor is of tone, because if you don't get the tones right, it's the second most powerful, then it doesn't look like a three-dimensional shape. If you get the shapes right and the tones right, it doesn't matter what colour you use, which is exactly what you're seeing here. That it's the tones that are making the painting. If you took a photo of that, turned it to black and white, it would look like an absolutely fine painting and not like a crackpot one. Because the tones are correct. You can see shadows here, there's shadows here. There's lovely dark eyes, there's shadows here. There's highlights here, there's highlights here. It looks like a rounded form because of the tones, not the colours.